Hi friends, if you want to remove someone from your WhatsApp group, you are in the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove a group member using your iPhone, step by step. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or iPad. Next, go to the chat section and open the group where you want to remove a member. Now tap on the group name or group picture at the top to open the group info. Scroll down a bit. Here you'll see the full list of group members. Admins will have a small admin label next to their name. To remove someone from the group, simply tap on their name. Then select Remove from Group. Tap Remove to confirm. That's it. As you can see, the person is no longer part of the group. So guys, that's how you can easily remove members from a WhatsApp group on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.